In this video, I will guide you on how to fix WhatsApp Business not sending messages. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or mobile data. If your connection is unstable, you want to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and see if that resolves your issue. Next, you want to force close WhatsApp Business and reopen it. For that, long press on the WhatsApp Business app, then tap on the app info icon. This should take you to the settings page. Now tap on the force stop option, then tap on OK. Now launch open WhatsApp Business app and see if that fixes your issue. If it does not, then head over back to the WhatsApp Business app info page. Here tap on storage, then tap on clear cache. You can also tap on clear data and delete all of the app's data as well. Then you will have to log into your account again. Now try sending the message to see if that fixes the issue. If it does not, update WhatsApp to the latest version. For that, launch open Play Store or App Store, then tap on the search bar. Here type WhatsApp Business and see if there is an update option. If there is, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. This can fix any bugs within the app. If your problem still continues, you can uninstall the application, then reinstall it again and check. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.